Welcome to this helpful tutorial. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to permanently close your Rumble account using the Android app. If you no longer wish to use Rumble or simply want to delete your account for personal reasons, this video will show you the entire process clearly. Open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Tap the account icon located at the bottom. In the top right corner, tap the Settings gear icon. Next, scroll and tap on Close Account. Then, tap on Proceed to Next Step. After that, tap Yes to confirm you want to close your account. Now, Rumble will send you a confirmation email. Open your email app and find the message from Rumble. Tap on Close My Account in the email. When asked which browser to use, select one to open the link. On the confirmation page, type the word Close as requested. Then, tap on Close My Account. Finally, confirm by tapping Yes again to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully closed your Rumble account. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more useful app tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.